This is a brief demonstration of a Flutter application running natively on the Raspberry Pi 4. The display is a standard Raspberry Pi 7-inch touch display, and Yocto was used to build a custom Linux system with meta-raspberrypi BSP and the meta-flutter layer. There's no window manager or X11 or Wayland installed. The demo application performs meeting room reservations. You can imagine this touch display outside of a meeting room that allows for booking of the room, the viewing of upcoming meetings, and the viewing of time remaining for an in-progress meeting. To the right of the screen is a list of scheduled meetings, and we can now proceed to add a meeting by tapping the plus button. A calendar is first presented to select the date. After date selection, the starting time of the meeting must be specified, followed by the ending time in the same manner. Finally, the title of the meeting and the name of the meeting's host is needed. The application returns to the home screen, and the newly added meeting can be viewed in the side panel. Here's what an in-progress interface will look like. This is a simple animated countdown informing the viewer of the meeting's remaining time. So again, the primary purpose of this demo was to show Flutter on the Raspberry Pi. The application is really basic and lacks features such as the removal of meetings and preventing double bookings. And here I can show you there's the Raspberry Pi connected to the touch interface. Thanks for watching.